Peter sir, same Harshita from Bollywood Global this side. सर मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि आपने पहले हनुमाना मूवी करी, अब राम जी का भी हमें यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, तो क्या आप धार्मिक चीज़ों से ज़्यादा जुड़े हुए हैं या आपके लिए यही एक चित्त आपका लगा हुआ है धार्मिक मूवियों की तरफ?
I think definitely I'm connected to Itihasas, not just me. All of us who have, um, all of us over here are connected to Itihasas, not just in Hanuman and Mirai. My previous films also, if you watch, they have a little bit of our Itihasas connection to it. Whenever there is a chance, yeah, I try to, we are very excited and happy, and we take pride in it to bring out that element in our films. Yeah.
Hello, hi Mr. Director. I mean Karthik. I'm very curious about this. कि मिराई का मतलब क्या है?
Mirai actually means future, but we gave it a very fictional sound to it. It has a different meaning in the film, so you'll see the context of it. So
I'm
just see
not
the film.
mistaken. I think this is your third film, right?
Yes.
And फिर आप future कहाँ देखते हो अपना? हिंदी film industry में या Tollywood में ही रहना पसंद
Oh,
करेंगे?
I have no idea. I would just want to make films, so wherever it is.
Thank you.
हाय मैं दीपेश पांडे दैनिक जागरण से मेरा क्वेश्चन तेजा आपसे रहेगा
सर बताइए.
बीइंग एक्टर जब आप किसी फिल्म के लिए किसी फिल्म को करते हैं तो उसकी आपकी पर्सनल प्रिपरेशन भी होती है लाइक इससे पहले जब आपने हनुमान किया तो उसमें भी हनुमान जी के बारे में या उनकी शक्तियों के बारे में काफ़ी प्रिपरेशन रही होगी और यहाँ कहानी भगवान राम से जुड़ती है उनके और कुछ 9 शास्त्रों से जो 9 शास्त्र लिखे गए थे उनसे जुड़ती है तो उन चीज़ों के बारे में मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि आपकी अपनी पर्सनल रिसर्च क्या रही किन चीज़ों के बारे में आपने पढ़ा देखा और जाना.
This film is predominantly an action adventure. It has a lot of fantasy, emotion, and it's about a boy's journey who starts off from nowhere and realizes his dharma and how he stops a catastrophe from happening. That is the film about. So there was not much need about research, and I don't need to do any research about. If you are referring to our dharmas, I don't need to do any research about it. We grew up on it, and we all know about it.
सेकेंड सवाल करण सर मेरा आपसे रहेगा. अभी आपने कहा कि आपने ट्रेलर देखने के बाद आपने कहा कि ना जाने ऐसी फिल्में हम कब बनाएंगे एंड आप तो उस पोजीशन में हैं और मेरा अब सवाल वही सवाल आपसे है कि ना जाने ऐसी फिल्में हम कब बनाएंगे वो आपका जवाब इस पर क्या रहेगा.
हाँ, ये फिल्म as much as it's ours, now it is Karan sir's also. So this is you all own this film. You have welcomed me for Hanuman with your open arms. So this is for all the Hindi audience out there. We take Hindi language release very seriously. It not only about the dubbing, we also make sure that it feels like an authentic Hindi film. And so we are promoting here, and Karan sir is here because of our sincerity towards Hindi language. So it is your film also. It's not a film just coming from South.
करण सर आपको जोड़ना चाहेंगे इस पे?
बोल दिया. कह दिया ना, बस कह दिया.
Sir, why are people trying to put you in spots, sir?
No, they always. That's what you said in the beginning. You're scared. You're always worried about the media, and now you know why we have to worry. No, but they're always very kind. They're always very kind, and I feel like जैसे आपने कहा कि of course it's our ambition to make feature films like this and what we call like quintessential tentpole films that have something interesting and exciting that dabble into the world of our civilization, our deep-rooted culture. Our endeavor with Brahmastra was that, and we hope to make several films in that zone, and we are producing several films, and we hopefully will have multitude of filmmakers like Karthik in Hindi cinema as well, who will put their hearts and heads online just to tell a story.
Hello, this is Rijita from Filmfare. Here. Hi. My question is for the director and the producer. First of all, congratulations, the trailer looks amazing. So what was the most challenging part for you, the storytelling part of it or the technical aspect of it? Because mounting something like this is not easy.
So for us, it was never an exhausting thing because we always felt we were driven towards it from the right from the beginning. So we never felt that exhaustion. Just these last 10 days is where we are feeling that exhaustion. Just maybe because of the anxiety of how it will reach. That's all.
Yeah, so typically you can say challenge is an opportunity. So we, like I said, we want to make a pan-global franchise with Mirai. Again, we are ambitious and constrained with the resources. So to make a, like the pan-global, you call the movies in the scale of Avatar, which are done in billions of dollars. So yeah, definitely we cannot have the resources like that. So then comes like a, how do you work on it? So then comes the teamwork and the director's vision, significant commitment from various actors, several technicians, different phases of the project. Yeah, we ran through the COVID period too. So, and then how do we present film to the audience? So we feel we did quite well, and we hope everyone will receive it well, and we can see the success. Thank you.
Hello, sir. This side. हेलो सर दिस साइड कल मेरा नाम शाहिद है फ्रॉम सिट सिनेमा सबसे पहले ट्रेलर लुक्स गुड अमेजिंग मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर ट्रेलर विजुअली वाइज इससे पहले तेजा साजा सर ने फिल्म की थी हनुमान आई थिंक 2024 12 जनवरी को रिलीज़ हुई थी वो मैंने फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो गेटी गैलेक्सी में देखा था और काफ़ी अच्छा मतलब कम बजट में एक अच्छा सिनेमा था तो वैसा ही ये होगा या फिर उससे कुछ अलग हटके इसके अंदर आपने ट्राई किया है जी
पैशन वही है सर
ओके
हार्ड वर्क वही है एफर्ट वही है वैसे ही हमारे लिमिटेशंस से बाहर आके हमें बहुत बड़ा करने के लिए कोशिश किया बहुत बड़ा दिखने के लिए आप सबको कोशिश किया वी हैव पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट आई डोंट वांट टू कंपेयर एनी फिल्म विद अनदर फिल्म but all I can say is Mira is going to be an experience for you all. As you said, please go to theatre again in Galaxy on September 12th. वो Jan 12th था, ये September 12th है. इस बार भी आप जाओ, आपको एक एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा, लेकिन इस बार आपका घर का पूरा फैमिली को लेके जाओ सर. We've made a very clean film. आप पूरा फैमिली को, आपका बच्चे लोगों को, पेरेंट्स को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
मेरा
तेजा लास्ट क्वेश्चन मेरा आपसे है तेजा हियर भावना शर्मा नव भारत
हाँ बोलिए
हाँ ये कोइंसिडेंस है कि आपका हनुमान में भी ये कैरेक्टर है कि आप बहुत एक कॉमन मैन है और उसके बाद आप सुपर हीरो बन जाते हैं आपको अपनी शक्तियों के बारे में नहीं पता इस फिल्म में भी थोड़ा सा जो हमने देखा वो और लोगों ने उसको बहुत पसंद किया था हनुमान को और आई थिंक इसको भी पसंद करेंगे मैं बोल रही हूँ कि ये कोइंसिडेंस है पर क्या आपको ये नहीं लगता है कि जिस तरह से जो स्पाइडरमैन है हमारे जिनको लोग इतना पसंद करते हैं इसलिए क्योंकि वो खुद अपनी शक्तियों को नहीं जानता था वो फैक्टर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा आपके इस कैरेक्टर के लिए
It's like you're the chosen one for this, of course. पहले हनुमान में हमने आपको देखा फिर यहाँ पर देखा. So, are you the chosen one is what she's trying to.
Ma'am, I strongly believe that there is a higher power that is guiding me. Otherwise, these kind of stories wouldn't come to me. And from where I have started, I come from no background. Even in Telugu, I come from no background. From where I have started, I was going from office to office for my break or for an opportunity. And in the same banner, after growing up, I've been a child actor, but after growing up, in the same banner, in Vishwasa's banner, I have done a character in their film. From there, I became a lead actor, and now sitting here today, along with Karan sir, addressing national media, it is not a small thing for me, ma'am. There is definitely universe helping me. Bhagwan ka krupa mujh par hai. I believe it, ma'am.
Hi Teja, I'm supporting this question also. I'm supporting these questions. I have seen that you are very religious person. Always you do religious in your films and all.
Sorry, ma'am.
You are very religious person. Each and every films in between religious and all.
Are you a religious person in life? No. Religious.
Religion in every film you're saying. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't understand this question. Nobody asks anybody who does the same love story again and again and again. Why are you asking when we are trying to show our dharma? We have to be proud of it. This is our land.
Sure, we are proud.
This is our,
Yeah,
no,
sure.
ma'am, what I would like to say is, these are our morals, and moreover, it's a, whatever you have seen the trailer, it's a 3-minute 10 seconds trailer. उसमें 10 सेकंड का हमारा भगवान श्री राम का दर्शन है. उसके लिए आप पूछ रहे हैं रिलीजियन वगैरह. ये फिल्म में फैंटेसी है, एक्शन है, एडवेंचर है, एंड हनुमान भी, उसमें भी वो एक सुपर हीरो कहानी है, उसमें एक सिस्टर है, उसका एक अलग इमोशन है. लेकिन जो भी हम वी आर ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग आउट a small moral or a connection with itihasas in a very cool way. You have to be happy that for the younger generation we are trying to tell our history in a very cool way, ma'am. I hope
I think he said it all. Like